Yo, what's good with y'all? It's another week, another opportunity, man. So we back at it on this fine Sunday. I just got back from Durham, and let's get straight into it, man. I'm not gonna take too much of y'all's time. So what I'm gonna do today is give y'all just a little breakdown of what I'm looking at. Well, that's not right. There we go. But let's get right into it, from top to bottom, from left to right, to east to west, to south to east, and the north, and the west, and the east, and the. All right. So first pair we're gonna get right into is GU. So GU, I'm gonna start looking on the weekly and work my way down. I'm just starting on the daily. Let me look at everything from a very broad spectrum, broad visualization. I work my way down. Is this man moaning? What's going on? But yeah, on the weekly, obviously we are bullish as of right now. Look at this from a few weeks ago. I mean, that's crazy. And there, as of right now, as we are around here, let's call it at 1.30, 150. Let's so call it. We've seen a more of a ranging situation, as I'm assuming on the weekly time frame. As I look down, not so much of a ranging situation, but we've seen less of a trending situation like we've seen down here, where it was kind of a straight up shot. As of right now, we're seeing more pullbacks, a lot more standstill operations going on. So on the daily, obviously we are still bullish. I like how, so as of right now, we have a gap right here, but we are still maintaining these previous lows. We have this, let me point it out for y'all: high, low, high, low, high, and maintaining still this low. Even though it looks like it broke it, we are still maintaining it. This is just a gap, which typically happens after a weekend. But yeah, I'm still bullish on that. Going down to the 4 hour. Nothing really else I want to really point out here. Take some of this off. But yeah, obviously, like I said, we are bullish, and that's all I'm really going to look for the week. If I were to go down to the hourly, something that I would like to see is a continuation of a breakout, or a break of this structure point, a structure low, should I say. So traditionally, with breaks of structure or structure in general, we have a high, low, high, low, high, low, and we want to see a break of this previous lower high. So that's what I would be looking for the on the hourly. God dang. To transition on the weekly for GJ, bullish as well, but we received a lot, crazy amount of buyer's exhaustion right here, meaning that we came all the way up here to 194.6. Do I want to say 600? Let's call it 600. And came all the way back down here. But we started off the week bullish already. So that's a pretty good sign. And that was something that I was expecting this previous Friday. And why was that? It's because we have this area of resistance, even support as of right here, and again playing as an area of support. So before the weekend came about, we already had this initial rejection right here at this area of support, and it came down, which often happens. Well, it will retest that area of support, or sometimes even resistance, which it did. And this is a pretty good sign for bullish moves throughout the week. Something that I would be looking forward to is a pullback down to this moving average. And from a confluence perspective, this could potentially line up with this previous higher low right here, or high. Basically, this is the higher low right here. So higher low, so this could match up right here. Additionally, looking at this fib, this is the 0.618. Let me make sure this is correct. Point A, point B, point C, and yeah. So I'm aiming for these targets all the way up here at negative 0.27. Something is not right. This is not updated. It should be in percentages. Probably just gotta update my So yeah, I'm looking forward to that sort of pullback for an opportunity to get in for these longs. But yeah, overall I am bullish for GJ, and then UJ bullish as well as what we see right here. We have also a higher low right here. So definitely looking forward to continue bullish moves all the way up here to this area of support right here and resistance right here. That will be something that I'm targeting, and it may not even make it all the way up there. It may come right here, kind of retesting this previous high. Could do either or, but I am looking for these bullish signs to come up here or up here to match with this overall flow, which would be bearish looking at this higher time frame perspective. If I were to draw a trend line or something like that, now looking at this is bearish, right? And it's still below this previous high, so it would make sense for things to come up here and continue respecting this overall trend, or it could break this overall with these bullish moves. So we're just gonna have to see. But as of right now, bullish. AU after this pair, honestly, after this pair, starting off on the weekly, all I gotta say, let's move on. No, I'm just playing. But AU, just to keep it short, I lost a good amount of money. Not that much. It was like 300 on this pair. I was targeting longs right here, and it didn't quite happen when I thought it was going to happen. I thought after this rejection right here that we were going to get that. Obviously, that didn't happen. It came down and broke that low, and we're receiving this rejection right here on the 4 hour. So I am still looking for longs on this. It's just that I entered a little too early. But yeah, AU, that's something that I'm probably gonna like get off of. Honestly, AU has been a pair that has been one of those pairs that I like, but at the same time, you got to get off of. It's like a baby. You have that bottle. The bottle is convenient. It's comfortable. You like drinking milk from the bottle and stuff like that. But after a while, you have to mature and get off of it. AU is it's probably the best pair for a beginner. But at this point, I get kind of tired of AU. AU is, and I say it's great for a beginner because it's so slow. One of probably the slowest pair that you will ever trade, and that definitely messes with me. So for over a year, I've been thinking about getting rid of AU, but AU is just one of those pairs that I'm comfortable with, and a lot of times I get good price action, but like as of right now, I'm not liking it. But that's something that I will potentially be releasing myself from. Gold, one of those pairs that I believe that I should be focusing more towards, due to its volatility and potential rewards. I mean, look, guys, look at this. I'm over here losing money on AU, focused on AU, but look at this. You see the price. You see the structure of this. You see the volume of this. You see the consistency. Like that's a sweet pair right there. But yeah, I'm bullish on gold. I keep saying obviously, but we have this fib from point A, point B, C, and confluences all day. I mean, it just matches up with this area right here as well. If we're looking at this from a technical standpoint, let me use I'm just gonna stick with that for now. It matches up with that, so we're seeing these projections right here. So I'm expecting this to play out as a higher low. We have these nice rejections from this area of support, or cementing it as an area of support for that potential run to the upside. I'm looking for a break of this area right here. This previous lower high. Something like that. That'll be clean. EJ weekly. Bullish as of right now. Just looking at these past weekly candles from this area of support. On the daily, we see that we have a rejection of this previous area of resistance now playing as an area of support. I'm liking it, I'm liking it, and I'm liking it. On the 4 hour, same situation as one of the other pairs I was breaking in. Was it GJ? Yes. Where we have that double bottom situation and a slight break above that previous high. So looking for those targeted highs all the way up here. Yeah, just to keep it simple, nice and flowing with the moving average, above the moving average. So I'm liking that. Liking it. So yeah, something that I'll be expecting. Yes, those highs. Bitcoin, we're at 85,000. 85,000. I'm liking this low right here. We also have a higher low right here. I'm liking it. We've fully erupted from this whole entire channel. Major higher low right here. I mean, I'm liking it. So I'm looking for those longs for gold. I mean, not gold, for Bitcoin. Looking forward to that. Treat me right, please, bro. Treat a brother nice. That's pretty much it though for tonight. Got work tomorrow, and I have a video that I need to edit. I probably won't finish tonight, but it's a weekly vlog from last week, so I hope y'all mess with it. But yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.